Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to change your avatar looks. In the beginning, let's go to menu and select avatar. Now you can select style or adjust the clothes, hair, eyebrows, eyes, mouth, facial hair, build skin tone and voice manually. Also you can go to shop directly from this menu to buy new clothes for your character. But not only clothes, you can also buy hairstyles, gestures and stickers. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.